It's showtime, baby. It's showtime. That's not working. I don't know why they're doing that. I said that play's not working.
Bingo's open. Just make sure you tell the outside guy.
All right.
Peel Mike and Rover on the F.
Hey, can I come like I'm coming still?
Come like you're coming.
I don't know like whether to eat it like going up, like, you know what I mean?
Get vertical and eat it.
I got some y'all. I was trying to score. So should I stay overhang or still go in the comment?
I would still stay overhang, but the comment is still on.
2 hoop 90 wide stick.
2 hoop 90 watt stick.
350 reach screen on 190.
Yeah, Serge. Get up, Serge.
Yeah.
I got you. Alley was way inside and the safety banked down, so I went to the alley.
Yeah. Oh, the safety came down to make it.
Yeah, but yeah, safety came down and just came off the edge.
You have plenty of time. Right? Plenty of time.
When I come on the comment, they're gonna throw it fast.
Yeah.
Hey, rail, hey, sticks, I'm coming. Hey, Coach Floyd, hey, tell him. They called me back. I hate that feeling, bro. I seen it. Right when I cut up, I seen the flag. Yeah, Grayson, give me another tub. Get trucked, little boy. That's it, scored again. Oh. Hey, I see you working. Hey, you catching now, bro? You catch this stuff now? Oh, yes.
That's right. He said
Yeah. Come on. Let's go, Mike. He's like on the line of scrimmage. It's a
Quick, Jim. Do what you do best. Quick, Jim.
You got a new corner on that side. Number 5 just came in. Hey, if he's coming like that, I'ma cut in or cut out and then just tee off on him.
That's what I was trying. That's what I was telling you.
Yeah, that's why I came outside. I seen you. That's why I came outside. Hey, passing down. Hey, that's +3. Coach Floyd, that's +3. Hey, you owe me 2 burritos. He owes me breakfast. Sammy owes me lunch. No, you owe me 2 lunches. That's crazy. Some mad someone stole my towel, bro. Yes, sir, Sammy. Get up. Tub. Let's go. That's 2 for Sammy. He's back. He gets $25 per.
I know you see him when he scored the first. He was like, his team was dead.
Hey Sam, you got $50. You're at $50.
I'm gonna get 75.
Yeah, get a pick. Hey, if I would have got tipped one more time, 5 coming.
Is that gonna be a pick? Were you playing underneath? You playing your technique right? You playing catch?
Hey, Coach Floyd, I thought I was gonna score. That's 3. Samuel Scaife, the 4th. That's his 3rd touchdown. Hey, give me up, boy. Hey. I ran off on the plug twice. That's that Saints defense.
Who scored?
That's the Saints defense. That's Malcolm. That's a throw. That's us. Let's go, boy. Best 2 sophomores. Mikey, way to play, boy. My boy Grayson up next. My boy Jaleel up next. Byron already big time. He going SEC. He already big time. Mikey and for Saints. The best. You already know. The best tight end in San Diego County. Right here. It's my son right here. He's gonna be the next player to wear number 5 next year.
Me?
In the bloodline.
I'll look
right
good
here.
at number 5.
Yeah, he will. He keep the legacy going.
When I go.
Yeah. Frank, Isaac, me, Jaleel. Then you get wearing it. Hey, that's Grayson Hall, and he's gonna be the best sophomore. He is the best sophomore in the county. Probably one of the best in the country, to be honest with you. He's tough.